Good afternoon, teacher. I'm going to talk about my wishes. I wish to be in peace with my God. I wish to be with my old family. I wish finish my career. I wish to see children grow. I wish to read a book every day. I wish to go to the river in the morning. I wish to do exercise every day. Also, I wish to run with my girlfriend in the sand. I wish to study hard. I wish to teach every day. I wish sun in the morning. I wish to play game every day. I wish dance salsa. I wish visit my family. I wish to travel every month. I wish room in the morning every day. I wish haircut. I wish to play soccer with my friends. I wish to sing in the start. I wish swim in the river with my mother and my father. I wish teach child. I wish to play baseball. I wish to teach all person. Thank you, teacher, very much.